Hello, road warriors. Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where family adventures begin with style and comfort. We're thrilled to showcase a CARFAX one-owner 2017 Newmar Ventana LE 4042 bunkhouse with only 21,000 miles. This 40-foot Class A diesel pusher, built on a robust Freightliner chassis, features the highly sought-after 4042 floor plan with 3 enormous slide-outs, 2 full baths, and sleeping for up to 8 in bunkhouse bliss. Optioned with a bold full-body paint package in black, gold, and off-white striping, this RV is a journey fortress, powered by a dependable Cummins diesel engine. Join us for a fun-filled tour to discover every family-friendly detail of this incredible coach. Let's start with the exterior, where the 2017 Newmar Ventana LE 4042 impresses with bold presence and durability. The striking black, gold, and off-white striping creates a modern, eye-catching look that stands out at any campground or family reunion. Stretching 40 feet, it's crafted on a heavy-duty Freightliner XCR chassis with full air ride suspension and full air brakes, delivering a smooth, confident ride. Powered by a 6.7-liter Cummins ISB diesel engine, it produces 360 horsepower and 800 foot-pounds of torque, paired with an Allison 6-speed automatic transmission with electronic shifter for effortless performance. Updated 2022 Hankook tires and Newmar's Comfort Steer power steering setup ensure reliability and easy handling. The exterior is packed with practical features to simplify family camping. Full pass-through basement storage compartments with a slide-out tray offer ample space for camping gear, sports equipment, or family treasures. An exterior entertainment center with a 32-inch TV and soundbar creates a lively setup for outdoor movie nights or tailgating with the crew. A power patio awning, power door awning, and slide toppers craft a shaded, welcoming oasis at any campsite. 4-point automatic hydraulic leveling jacks with touchpad controls ensure quick, stable setup, while rear and side view cameras with an in-dash monitor make navigation effortless. Powering your family adventures is seamless with this RV's reliable systems. An Onan 8.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator delivers robust power for off-grid getaways. A 50-amp service with extension cord, inverter charger, and battery disconnects ensures efficient energy management. Dual roof-mounted ACs with heat pumps keep everyone comfortable year-round. These systems make this Ventana LE a versatile choice for multi-generational family trips. step inside, and the 4042 floor plan opens into a spacious retreat, perfect for family gatherings. 3 enormous slide-outs create a roomy interior that sleeps up to 8, ideal for grandparents, parents, and kids seeking adventure together. The layout features a queen bed in the rear master bedroom, a bunkhouse with 2 bunk beds, and a jackknife sleeper sofa in the front living room. The front living room is a cozy hub, with a large jackknife sleeper sofa, dinette table with 2 chairs, and a 40-inch TV on a power lift that hides away when not in use, perfect for family movie nights or game time. The durable finishes and warm lighting create a home-like ambiance. A full kitchen is a family-friendly delight, designed for easy meal prep. It boasts a stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer, a stainless steel residential sink with faucet, a gas stovetop, and a microwave convection oven, with plenty of counter space for family meals. The nearby dinette ensures comfortable dining or planning the day's adventures. The 2 full bath setup is a game changer, with a middle full bathroom featuring a sink, vanity, shower enclosure with glass doors, skylight, and power vent fan, and a rear full bathroom with a large shower enclosure, skylight, huge sink and vanity, toilet, additional wardrobe closet, and power vent fan. A stackable washer and dryer adds convenience for extended family trips. The bunkhouse is pure kid-approved magic, crafted for fun and rest. 2 bunk beds, each with individual drop-down DVD/TV players, offer personal entertainment and cozy sleeping for the little ones. The rear master bedroom is a serene escape for adults, with a queen bed, 32-inch TV, wardrobe closets, and drawer storage for comfort and organization. The queen bed, bunkhouse, and jackknife sofa provide flexible sleeping for up to 8, ideal for multi-generational family adventures. Let's spotlight what makes this RV a family favorite. The 4042 floor plan, with 3 slide-outs and 2 full baths, offers a spacious interior for 8. The Cummins ISB engine and Freightliner XCR chassis deliver reliable performance, while the Onan generator and 50-amp service support off-grid adventures. Standout features like the bunkhouse with TVs, washer-dryer, and bold paint package add fun and practicality for family travel. Imagine hitting the road in this 2017 Newmar Ventana LE4042, exploring national parks, beach campgrounds, or family reunions with everyone together. Picture cooking family meals in the full kitchen, watching movies in the bunkhouse, or unwinding in the queen bed after a day of adventure. This RV blends home-like comfort with the freedom of the open road, creating a journey fortress for your family. With only 21,000 miles, every trip will create lasting memories. Let's dive deeper into why this Ventana LE is a top pick. Newmar's thoughtful design shines in the durable construction, spacious layout, and family-focused features like the bunkhouse TVs and power awnings. Safety features like the rear and side view cameras and comfort steer inspire confidence, while the cockpit's intuitive design makes driving a pleasure. From the dual full baths to the stackable washer-dryer, this RV is built for family fun and relaxation. Let's revisit the exterior's practicality. The bold black, gold, and off-white paint enhances curb appeal and protects the RV for years of travel. The full pass-through storage with a slide-out tray makes packing for family trips effortless, while the exterior entertainment center adds fun to any campsite. This fifth wheel's rugged design is ready for any family adventure. Back inside, the living area's charm deserves another look. The jackknife sleeper sofa and dinette create a perfect spot for family gatherings or unwinding after a day of exploration. The 40-inch TV on a power lift offers versatile entertainment, while the 3 slide-outs enhance the open, inviting feel. This layout balances family-friendly comfort and practicality, making every trip a joy. Why choose this Ventana LE? Its blend of spaciousness and versatility is unmatched, with features like the bunkhouse, 2 full baths, and ample storage that make family camping effortless. The 4042 floor plan offers plenty of room for 8, while the Cummins engine ensures reliable power for any journey. Ready to make this family gem yours? This 2017 Newmar Ventana LE4042 bunkhouse is a rare opportunity to own a feature-packed diesel pusher with low mileage. Reach out at 8642609276, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit www.portersrvsales.com to learn more, or schedule a viewing. The Porters RV sales team is ready to get your family on the road. Thank you for joining us for this family-friendly walk-around of the 2017 Newmar Ventana LE4042 bunkhouse. Explore more RV tours on our YouTube channel, Porters RV Sales, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. With its 3 slide-outs, bunkhouse, and 2 full baths, this RV is a must-see. Call us today at 8642609276, or visit portersrvsales.com to claim this 2017 Ventana LE4042. This is Porters RV Sales, and we're thrilled to see your family hit the road in comfort.